We just finished talking about how I would write my friend Mary a letter and how we would mail the letter to Mary. Now, my friend Alfonso here is going to be Mary. See, it says, my name is Mary. Now, this little bird is Alfonso, but he's going to be Mary today to help me. Isn't that nice of him? Thank you, Alfonso. Oh, you're such a sweet little bird. Okay, now, we're going to go to the mailbox. We're going to go to the mailbox, and we're going to see how Mary would act. Now, I'm not Mary. I'm Starfish. We are pretending to be Mary. And then Alfonso is going to help us a little bit be Mary, too. Kind of a weird thing, but hey, Starfish is weird. So, anyway, Mary goes to the mailbox. The flag is down. She gets out the letter from Starfish, and she reads it. So, then Mary shuts the mailbox, probably brings it inside. She probably brings it inside, and then she's got to decide and do some thinking about what to write Starfish back. Now, Alfonso here is Mary, okay? So, I'm going to let Mary, which is really Alfonso, read the letter. So it says, Dear Mary, hi, my name is Starfish. What do you like to do when you go outside? I like to ride in my sailboat. The other day, my sailboat went the wrong direction. After I tried, I got my boat to go right. Tell me about your family, your friend Starfish. So, Mary might have to do a little bit of thinking about this, but if she wants to write Starfish, and I hope she wants to write Starfish, Starfish really likes to get letters from everybody in her post office box. Post office box 619, Dover, D-O-V-E-R, Tennessee, 37058. So, Mary, who lives in Memphis, is going to write. Now, I'm going to pretend that Alfonso is Mary, and I'm going to pretend like he tells me what to write, and I'll do the writing for Mary, which is really Alfonso. Okay, Mary. It's so silly, because I know your name is Alfonso. It's so funny. Okay, we'll pretend like you're Mary. Okay, Mary, what is one thing that you would like to write Starfish? And I'll just act like his little mouth is going, because he's not really anybody in there right now. Okay, so Mary is going to write, Dear Starfish. Dear Starfish, wow, comma, or you might even exclamation point that one. Wow, the sailboat trip, sounds fun, period. Then she may want to say she's never been on a sailboat because she hasn't. I have never been on a sailboat, period. Now she's going to tell me something about her. I asked her what she likes to do outside. So, Mary says, when I go outside, comma, I like to see the big Clark Tower building with the flag on top. Because there must be the Clark Tower. After all, she lives in Memphis. So, Clark Tower building with the flag on top. Now, she's going to tell me a little bit about her family. Or she may not. She may wait till the next letter. Let's say her sister, my sister, Karen, likes to pick up ladybugs on her finger. Period. And her name is Mary. So, Mary, your friend, comma, Mary. Now, this is a friendly letter. It could be written better, but you know, friends like all kinds of letters, and they don't have to be perfect. So, the whole letter says, Dear Starfish. She's writing to Starfish. Wow, this sailboat trip sounds fun, because she's responding to me that wrote her about my sailboat trip. When I go outside, I like to see the big Clark Tower building with the flag on top. She also had never been on a sailboat before. Then she starts talking about her friend Karen. My sister Karen likes to pick up ladybugs on her finger. Your friend Mary. Now, how does Mary write Starfish? Well, she's going to have an envelope, and she may, since I did this envelope, it's a little smaller. So, you know, you can fold all kinds of ways. It's still going to get to its destination point. But she's going to put it in there, and then she's going to write Starfish. So now Starfish is the person she writes to, but Mary is over here. So, Mary is the return address. Her name is Mary Stone. Mary Stone. She lives at 123 Leaf Street. She lives in Memphis, where the Clark Tower is. Memphis, Tennessee, 38118. And she's writing to Starfish. So she's going to skip down a little bit and move over a little bit. Starfish. And she's going to write P-O, period, period, P, period, O, period, box 619, because you can see that's where it was, P.O. Box 619, Dover, Tennessee, 37058. And then she's got to buy a stamp. We've always got to buy a stamp. So you might need to ask your mother and your father to get you a stamp. And you've got to get some real envelopes, because you cannot home make envelopes. They will not send them at the post office. So, Mary is going to go, pretend like she's going with me, to the mailbox, and she's going to send Starfish a letter. So she opens the mailbox, and she puts it in, she closes it, and she puts the flag up. Now, that is the signal for the letter carrier to pick her letter out, and then it goes several different ways until it gets right back to Starfish, P.O. Box 619, Dover, Tennessee, 37058. Thank you so much, Alfonso, for pretending to be Mary.